trying out a recipe that I found for vegan cottage cheese. Pretty excited about it. I do love cottage cheese, so I'm a little skeptical, but we shall see. You're gonna need a block of tofu, 1 container of the tofutti brand sour cream. This is the only plant-based sour cream that I've personally found so far, and this is actually what the recipe calls for, so I'm gonna be trying that out as well. I got a little bit of acid here just in case, because I am wondering about it's gonna have that nice bite that cottage cheese normally has, so, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try this guy out. See what we're working with here. So it appears that this is going to be the bulk of, oh wow, look at that. Has kind of like a cream cheese texture. It's nice and smooth. I was right, guys. I think this needs a little bit of acid, but it's not bad. We're gonna go ahead and dump this whole container in here. And before I do anything, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar and see what happens. Just got regular white vinegar here. Nothing special. I might add a little bit of lemon juice, but I didn't want to add too much citrus flavor to it right away until I know what I'm dealing with. Try the old buttermilk technique and see how this comes out first. Alright, that's actually better. Add a little bit more. I'll say I probably added a total of about a tablespoon of vinegar. Alright, so I've added about a tablespoon of the vinegar. The reason that I did that is because the sour cream didn't really have that kind of sour taste that normal sour cream has on the back end that you get. Vinegar actually helped a lot. That made kind of a big difference. Add a little bit more. Let's say about 1.5 tablespoons. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and throw our tofu in. Calls for a whole block of tofu. I'm just gonna break it into smaller bits so it's a little easier to mix. And we'll add our salt at the very end, as well as possibly a little bit of lemon juice depending on what kind of flavor we end up with. This doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna smash it up with a fork. Just doing this to make it a little bit easier. I'm excited because I love cottage cheese, but I'm also skeptical because I love cottage cheese. I got some peaches that are gonna go on top, so I'm hoping for the best. Mash it up, mix it in. Looking like cottage cheese, you guys. I don't know if you can see that. Huh. Pretty nifty. We'll give it a try before we add our salt and possible lemon juice. texture is just a little bit different. But it's not offensive. I don't like that. Oh my god. That's pretty close, you guys. Alright, definitely need some salt. And I am gonna go ahead and do a little bit of lemon juice in here. Still think it needs a little bit more of that bite on the end. Alright, so far we got juice from a half of a lemon in there. And probably about a teaspoon of salt. That's what I put in there so far. Try this again. That is pretty damn good, you guys. I think we got cottage cheese. This is actually pretty good. I am gonna add the rest of this lemon in here. And we're gonna go ahead and call this guy done. The original recipe only called for the salt, the tofu, and the sour cream, which I'm sure would have been alright, but it just was kind of lacking that sour, acidy flavor that normal sour cream or even cottage cheese has. So the vinegar and the lemon juice have actually really made a difference. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and boil this up and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, you can see the texture there. That's pretty close to cottage cheese. Nice, alright. I like a little bit of black pepper on mine. And I'm gonna go with some peaches. And there you have it, you guys. Plant-based cottage cheese. Pretty excited about this one, y'all. Pretty good. Well, this is really good. It does not taste exactly like cottage cheese. So, it's worth making. And it's good with the fruit in it, but I think I'm gonna have to tweak it a little bit and try this one again. Alright, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please subscribe. Hit the bell button and you'll get some notifications. Please share, tell your friends, and let me know if you have any awesome ideas you want me to try. Y'all have an awesome day and enjoy!